In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept payments on your Wix website using all available methods. Let's dive straight into the process and explore each step in detail to ensure a seamless setup for your business. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix homepage and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. This is your hub for all things related to your Wix site, where you'll manage settings, customize your site, and crucially set up your payment methods. Navigating through the front dashboard can seem a bit overwhelming due to the range of features available, but don't worry, it's more straightforward than it seems. Now, let's direct our attention to the search box located at the top of the dashboard. Here, type in Payments and press Enter. This command is pivotal as it zeroes in on everything related to payment settings, saving you time and offering you a quick shortcut to the relevant sections. Once your search query has been processed, you'll notice a list of suggestions. From this list, find and click on Accept Payments. This action will take you to the Payment Settings area, laying the foundation for configuring how you'll receive payments on your site. In the Accept Payments section, the next step is to select your business location from the drop-down list provided. This choice is crucial as it determines the payment processors available to you based on regional regulations and supported currencies. Make sure to select the correct location to proceed without any hitches. After selecting your location, look for the option labeled See More Payment Options. Clicking this will expand your current options and reveal additional payment methods tailored to your location. This step is often overlooked, but it's highly beneficial as it allows you to browse and examine all possible methods to find the best fit for your business. Additionally, there's an option to View More, which further extends the variety of payment solutions. This provides deeper insight into each available method, alongside any associated fees or integration requirements, giving you a comprehensive overview to make informed decisions. With the full list of payment methods now visible, it's time to choose the one you prefer and click on the Connect button. This initiates the process of linking your selected payment method with your Wix website. A vital step as it ensures that customers can successfully complete their transactions directly through your site. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection process. This generally involves providing some details or verifying your account with the chosen payment provider. These instructions are designed to be intuitive, walking you through each stage to streamline the setup process. Finally, if at any point you need to backtrack or reconsider your options, simply click on Cancel. This action safely discontinues the current setup process without making any permanent changes, allowing you to revisit and refine your decisions for optimal setup. And there you have it, each step detailed for setting up payment methods on your Wix site. Follow along and soon you'll be accepting payments and running your business with ease. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.